How to avoid copyright on YouTube. But before that, if you don't know what is YouTube, it is an online video sharing and global media platform that allows users to upload, view, share, and interact with videos, in which it has become one of the most visited websites in the world. So now to proceed, you can simply go to your youtube.com and simply sign in your account on YouTube. And to start avoiding the copyright on YouTube, you can simply click first on the top right corner your icon profile and click the YouTube Studio in here. Then you will be directed on your channel with its corresponding content and videos. Now under this content, you should be able to see here whether you have a restriction for copyright or not. And by clicking the copyright option on the left side panel, it will show you all of the videos that has been removed for copyright. And as you can see, since I don't have any videos that has been copyright, I don't have a list of videos in here. But if you have one, you could simply navigate it in here under channel content videos copyright. And if you also want to take down a request for copyright, you can click on this link where it will show you or be directed on this page, and it will show you a variety of options to navigate, including to submit a copyright removal request and also some other details about copyright. So basically, copyright on YouTube refers to the legal protection given to the original works of authorship, such as videos, music, images, and other creative content, in which when someone creates an original work and fixes it in tangible form in YouTube, they automatically own the copyright to the content. So this means they have exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, display, or monetize it. And to upload a non-copyright YouTube, you can use this platform called Epidemic Sound to avoid being copyrighted by any music or sound, since Epidemic Sound is a royalty-free music licensing platform designed to provide a high-quality music and sound effects for content creators, filmmakers, advertisers, and businesses. So from here, you could also navigate or log in your account in here to sign in. You could choose also some of the plan. We have here Creator, Pro, and Enterprise plan with the corresponding benefits and also corresponding prices below here. So basically, the main purpose of this is to simplify the legal complexities of music licensing by offering a large catalog of professionally produced tracks that can be used legally across various platforms, like YouTube in here. So basically, on YouTube, if you upload a content that uses someone else's copyrighted work without permission, the copyright owner can take action by issuing a copyright claim or copyright strike. And you can track here under this video section, and you should see the restriction in here if you already have a copyright restriction or violation in here. And once you try to click any of the videos, you can choose to change the music, erase the details including the music, the background, and any other element that can make it copyright. So basically, to avoid the copyright on YouTube, make sure to use an original content in uploading your own content on YouTube. And you could also navigate here the help center on YouTube help, that you could also see some other tips, including to get a permission or licenses if you want to use someone else's music, clips, or images, obtain written permission, or even use a YouTube audios library that provides a free music and sound effects that are safe to use with some. And aside from that, another platform that you can use is this called vocalremover.org, in which the purpose of this is to help users create a karaoke version of songs or extract isolated vocals for remixing, sampling, or educational use. So it may help us to remove the vocal and isolate it in order to not make it copyrighted. So primarily you can simply uploading the audio file the platform process, in which it provides two outputs, instrumental version without vocals and a vocal only version. So basically these two platform and many more can help you upload or use a music or background music and sound effects in here that is free copyrighted. And aside from that, to avoid copyrighted on YouTube, you also need to avoid re-uploads of copyrighted content and give a proper credit when required. And also use content you have the right to monetize. So from the YouTube help, you can also search about copyright, including what is it, and it will show you all the details that you need to know about it, including the common copyright myths. We have here a few, such as giving credit to the copyright owner means you can use their content, which is not true. And claiming non-profit means you can use any content, which is also a myth or not true. So make sure to understand all of this, since YouTube uses a system called Content ID to detect copyrighted material automatically, but copyright owners can also manually submit takedown requests. And to stay safe, Creators should also use original content or properly licensed material and understand YouTube's copyright policies and fair use guidelines. But overall, that is just basically how to avoid copyright on YouTube.